Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into the world of high-performance graphics cards. Today we are pitting the ASUS TUF Gaming NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super OC Edition against the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super WINDFORCE OC. Both of these cards are designed for gamers who demand the best performance, but they come with different specifications and price points. Let's explore what each card has to offer and see which one stands out in terms of performance, pricing, and features. The ASUS TUF Gaming NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super OC Edition is designed for extreme gaming performance, featuring 16 GB of GDDR6X memory and advanced cooling technology. This card is optimized for high-resolution gaming and demanding applications, making it a top choice for enthusiasts. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super WINDFORCE OC, while still powerful, comes with 12 GB of GDDR6X memory and is better suited for mid-range gaming setups. It offers solid performance for most games, but may struggle with the latest titles at ultra settings compared to the RTX 4080 Super. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 4080 Super OC Edition is priced at $1,099, reflecting its high-end capabilities and performance. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE RTX 4070 Super WINDFORCE OC is significantly more affordable at $599. This price difference makes the 4070 Super an attractive option for gamers on a budget who still want solid performance without breaking the bank. The ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 4080 Super OC Edition boasts advanced features such as PCIe 4.0 support, HDMI 2.1a, and DisplayPort 1.4a, making it future-proof for the latest gaming technologies. In contrast, the GIGABYTE RTX 4070 Super WINDFORCE OC, while still offering essential features, lacks some of the cutting-edge technology found in its higher-end counterpart. However, it still provides a good set of features for most gamers. In conclusion, both the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 4080 Super OC Edition and the GIGABYTE RTX 4070 Super WINDFORCE OC have their strengths and weaknesses. The 4080 Super offers superior performance and advanced features, making it ideal for serious gamers, while the 4070 Super provides solid performance at a more accessible price point. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your gaming needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.